Okay, we're in Tatopani. This is where we decided to stay for the night. It's 1,000 rupiah at the time of this recording, 2022. Let's go inside. First and foremost, when you arrive, it's got a little chill area, hangout spot outside. Oh wow, what? Oh, looks like freaking noodles. And we're greeted by this beautiful, beautiful individual. The rooster. So, this is where we're at. Our room is over there that overlooks that mountain. We're gonna go up there in just a sec. So you leave your shoes here. My shoes, my girlfriend's, and then whenever you're outside, you wear sandals. But once you get inside, you take your sandals off. So, like right here, off, boom. And so no shoes inside, which I love because the floor is clean. Let's try to get some. No, there it is. This is the dining area. Alright. These awesome little lamps. Later. And there's a menu. I'm not gonna go through the entire menu, but wow, it's quite big. Okay, love the seat, view, and the toilet, a shower and toilet is outside. Bucket showers. And not Western toilets. Okay, let's go upstairs. You get upstairs, and there's a little chill area right here. Check that out. Right. Nice little space. I don't see the light switch, but this is our room. Our humble abode for tonight. Let's try to. Oh, there it is. There are our lights. And 2 twin beds. There it is. It's a light there. Like vaulted ceilings. It's not all concrete, cement, so it's not going to be extremely cold. It's wood all the way around, but it's bad. Got sleeping bags out. I'm going to shower next, and then put some clothes on. Our bag, another bed. It's the view, and another light, another view, and we have a balcony. Got a mirror. And then a trash can. Just the basic essentials. Got my power bank plugged in charge, and my clothes. And so let's go outside. Got a little bench, but here's our view. Our own private balcony for, I think it's less than $7, which is 1,000 rupiah. There's an overcast right now. It's late in the evening. The sun was just out. In the morning, that's going to be an amazing view. But in the meantime, that's the unit next door, the room next door. And we are one of 2 trekkers that are actually staying here. They said that guest house. There are a few guest houses. 1, 2, the blue one, I think. One of those are completely full. So we decided to stay here. Get this view. It's down low. But check out the view. I can actually hear the river. And I've got a vacuum, which is cool. We've got a clothing line. Just gonna go ahead and do laundry in just a minute. Got some of my gear already hung. But yeah, this is where we're at for 1,000 rupiah, less than $7 as of 2022. This is Tatopani, and it's super clean. Let's go back outside so I can say a few things. Yeah, so it is. This place is the building. The building, the guest house is super clean, and that's one thing. When we immediately walked in, we're like, okay, we didn't even really ask the price because today was such a long day with some steep incline, which, and we didn't even bother to ask the price. We're very impressed with how clean it was. Immediately, one of the owners stopped us and said, "Hey, remove your shoes."